Unfortunately, there's a lot of weirdos in the world, so today we're taking a look at some more of the most horrific moments caught on Ring doorbell cameras. As a young boy is walking back to his house in the evening, he notices a car lurking around, and when he realizes his front door is locked, the car begins to reverse. The boy makes it safely inside his next door neighbor's house and would later reveal that the car had been following him on his walk home, where they tried luring him in by saying they had free candy. The two men were described to be in their 40s with no facial hair, but they were never caught. And just 3 days ago, this insanely creepy incident would happen where a man walks up to a house wearing a Hellfire Beast mask, holding a sign that says Revelations, which talks about the end of days. Police took report but didn't do anything since no crime had been committed. Drop a like for part 3.